Hey guys, it's Mega. And today we finally have a new Akko switch. Yes, you heard me right, and it's been a while since. For those of you who are new here, there was a time where Akko had switches coming out almost every week. There were so many switches that we couldn't even review them all. But here we are with a new Akko switch, and they're called the Akko Creamy Purple Pro. Not to be confused with the Akko Lavender Purple Pro V3. And this one has a unique trait up its sleeve, and you're gonna want to watch out for this one. But first, a bit of a disclaimer. Akko sent these switches over for an honest and unbiased review, and that's what we're going to do here today. So first impressions, the color is more on the pink side if you ask me, but it looks like a normal switch until you try it. Now Akko has been advertising this switch to have no pre-travel. If you don't know, pre-travel is the distance from when the switch is actuated, which in terms of tactile switches is the same time the bump is felt when you press on the switch. So let's open the switch up and see how it is. First off, the top housing of the switch is made out of PC and the bottom is made out of PA. So we have a definite clacky switch with a deep top out. The housing is also cherry style and 5-pin compatible. The rails on this are lightly lubed. The spring is rated at 30-gram force, which is a little too light if you ask me. But it's an extended spring measuring at 22 mm, so it's going to be snappy. The stem is made out of Akko's custom nylon material that is made to be smoother than their usual palm stems. And of course, we can see that in the tactile bump on the legs that give the switch an overall tactile force of 55-gram force, which puts it around the same level of tactility with their other tactile switches in the Cream Pro line. But compared to the Cream Pro line, the difference comes in the pre-travel and the travel of the switch, where the Creamy Purple Pros have only 0.5 mm pre-travel, so there still is a bit of a pre-travel, and an overall 3 mm travel, where the Lavender Purple Pros have around 1.9 mm travel and 3.8 mm overall travel. If you want more info on the Lavender Purple Pros, I'll link a video up there if you want to watch it. Now just with those specs alone, this will make the switch a very unique switch. But how do they sound? Let's take a listen on my Neo 70 with the GMK Modo 2. Conclusion: the switch is very interesting. And yes, even with the 30-gram force spring, in fact, I could barely feel the 30-gram force because before you could actuate the switch, the bump is right there. Honestly, it made me feel like I was pressing on a 55-gram than a 30-gram. As a linear fan, I've always wondered why was it so hard for switch makers to make a tactile switch that didn't have a pre-travel. And well, here it is. And I honestly really like them because you feel the tactility right from when you press the switch. And then after the actuation, it feels like a slide down to the bottom out. Now I kind of wonder how this switch will be if it had a heavier spring. Let me know in the comments below if you think we should try it out. So anyway, thanks for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If so, please subscribe and comment down below what other switches you want to see on the channel. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.